We're going to make a roasted spatchcock chicken dinner. Start with the whole chicken and cut the backbone out. We're going to lay it flat on a rack. This helps it cook much faster and more evenly. Then I like to coat it with seasonings. I use black pepper, garlic, Italian seasoning, and paprika, and rub it all over. Then we're going to insert a thermometer into the thigh. We want to roast it to 160. While it's roasting, we're going to roast some veggies. We have split Brussels sprouts in a pan with a little olive oil. And now in our roasting pan, we're adding a bag of rinsed yams that we've pricked with a knife. While all that's roasting, I'm going to prepare some rainbow chard. I'm cutting the leaves off the stems because I cook the leaves and stems separately. The stems get sliced, sort of like celery. Then we're going to mince some garlic. And we use a whole lemon cut in half. We go to the stove and fry the stems in olive oil with a little bit of seasonings. I like to use garlic, Italian seasoning, and paprika. Stir all that together and let the spices roast too. Then we squeeze in lemon juice. We put a whole lemon and we add the leaves. I like to cover them with a pot lid so they steam more efficiently. After they're almost tender, you can add in a little water or broth. I think that our Brussels sprouts and our sweet potatoes are ready. The chicken's not quite there. It's going to take a little less than an hour at 390 degrees to get it to 160. Meanwhile, our super crispy Brussels sprouts are going to be tossed with balsamic syrup and a little bit of red pepper. They almost look like they're deep fried. On the sweet potatoes, I covered them with the towel so that the skins just fall off. And now the chicken is at 160. Look how delicious. We're going to carve it into quarters, taking off the legs, the breast, and the wings. Look how juicy the breast is, because this was roasted very evenly with our spatchcock method. One of the great things about roasting a whole chicken is that you'll have extra meat and the carcass left over, and you can make chicken noodle soup the next day. Here I'm loading the carcass and extra chicken along with all the pan juices into a pot because I'm going to take this out the next day and make chicken noodle soup. Now we have the roasted veggies and the carved roasted chicken, and we're ready to plate our dinner. We're using the My Plate method with 1/4 protein, 1/4 starch or whole grains, and half can be veggies. We have our pan-braised roasted chard, our roasted Brussels sprouts. I hope you've enjoyed watching our roasted dinner.